High above the Missouri River bluffs, she rises, a 50-foot testament to strength, beauty, and heritage. This is Dignity of Earth and Sky, a $1 million gift to South Dakota that shines as a beacon of Indigenous pride. Crafted to celebrate the state's 125th anniversary of statehood, this stainless steel masterpiece wasn't born in one place. It came together across South Dakota's vast plains. In this video, we'll uncover its intricate creation, its deep cultural roots, and the journey that brought it to life. Welcome to the story of dignity. In 2014, Norm and Eunabel McKie of Rapid City announced a $1 million gift to the people of South Dakota, a tribute to the state's 125th anniversary of statehood. Their vision, a monument honoring the Indigenous peoples who've shaped this land for centuries. South Dakota artist laureate Dale Claude Lamphere took the helm, imagining Dignity of Earth and Sky as a crossroads of earth, sky, and humanity, a celebration of Lakota, Nakota, and Dakota cultures. To craft her face, Lamphere worked with 3 Native American models, ages 14, 29, and 55, blending youth, maturity, and wisdom into a timeless gaze.
So thank you to Norm and Eunabel and the entire McKie family for this wonderful gift to South Dakota.
Unveiled on September 17, 2016, and received by Governor Dennis Daugaard, this gift became a symbol of shared reverence, its creation spanning towns and talents across the state. Creating Dignity was a 3-year odyssey across South Dakota. Her head took shape at Dale Claude Lamphere's studio in Sturgis, where her serene face was sculpted with care. Meanwhile, 90 miles south in Scenic, South Dakota, her body, hands, and star quilt were forged, her garment inspired by a traditional 2-hide dress from the 1850s, a nod to Great Plains heritage. Native advisors ensured every detail rang true. Pieces then converged 44 miles east of Rapid City on Highway 44, near the Cheyenne River at Spirited Winds Tatanka Ranch. Here, she was assembled, 50 feet tall, 12.5 tons, a marvel of stainless steel. Structural engineers designed her to endure South Dakota's extremes, with a tripod base, compression box, and ribs like a sideways umbrella. Once whole, Maberry House Building Movers from Pierre, South Dakota, took on the monumental task of transporting her over 200 miles to the Chamberlain rest area on I-90. It was a journey of precision, uniting art and engineering across the plains. Now let's marvel at her star quilt, a centerpiece of meaning and motion. In Lakota, Nakota, and Dakota cultures, the star quilt is a symbol of respect, honor, and admiration, often gifted in celebration. For Dignity, crafted in Scenic, it's 128 stainless steel diamonds, each 4 feet long. These aren't just static, they're color-changing, glittering in the sun with hues of sky and water, rippling with the wind in a breathtaking dance. At night, LED lights shine through perforated steel, illuminating the beadwork on her dress and leggings. From the I-90 rest area, she casts a peaceful glow across the dark prairie, a radiant tribute visible to all who pass. This quilt ties her to tradition, a bridge between past and present, and a testament to her harmony with the land. Stainless steel was the perfect choice, strong, beautiful, and enduring. 12.5 tons, Dignity reflects the river, the sky, the seasons, her 2-hide dress a link to the 1850s. Born in Sturgis and Scenic, assembled at Tatanka Ranch, and delivered by Maberry Movers, she's a South Dakota story from start to finish. Dedicated in 2016, this $1 million gift from the McKies celebrates 125 years of statehood and millennia of Indigenous resilience. See her soar in this drone footage, a view that captures her majesty above the bluffs. She's a call to honor the sacred, drawing visitors to stand in her shadow and feel her spirit. Dignity of Earth and Sky is a gift woven from South Dakota's heart, her head from Sturgis, her form from Scenic, her assembly at Tatanka Ranch, and her home on I-90. What does she mean to you? Have you seen her glow? Share in the comments. If this journey moved you, hit subscribe for more.